What's up, guys?
Hi guys.
Welcome back to the Island family.
Yeah, man. This
It's the Island Boy Africa, Ad.
Chica de la Isla.
We have little island there.
Yeah.
You see me? So,
Island, look up here.
yeah, man. So, you have the island here sitting. Yes, sir. So, yeah, guys.
We just came down to the beach for a day. Oh, sorry, my eyes are killing me.
Just a kill the evening at the beach. It's after 3 now, you know.
Yeah.
So, yeah, been at home boring and all of that. So, we decided to come at the beach and just enjoy
the evening.
Yeah.
For real, the afternoon.
Yeah, we're not even gonna swim, so yeah, just to chill.
Just to chill and talk
Yeah.
to you guys.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
that's what's up, guys.
Let you know what we've been doing.
Yeah, man. So that's what's up. Stay
All right,
tuned.
stay tuned.
Alright.
She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you, hold on you. She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you, hold on you. She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you, hold on you. Yeah, that's my type of girl. She's my type of girl in my kind of world.
Hey guys, so babe just went and got me a Sorrel Red Stripe.
Light beer.
This is my quite nice favorite drink. So if you haven't tried these, when you come to Jamaica, make sure you try it. Put it on your bucket list of drinks to drink.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Now there's some chicken and fries, so we'll get that in a few. Alright, so that's
Cheers,
annoying,
guys.
nice guys. It's bugging us. Light beer.
It's actually nice. My throat's been a little bit sore. I don't know if I'm getting sick. Hope it's not anything bad. So I'm gonna gargle some salt and warm water. Yeah. Later on, it's just a bit sore. Yeah, guys, and there's Dad.
Yeah,
An island.
Yeah, man.
Hi. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Bloop, bloop. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Choo, choo. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Stop. Hey, Bubba.
Yeah. We might get copyrighted for that.
Nah.
Yeah, man. We're just enjoying. It looks like someone behind us having a birthday party, guys. Yeah.
Yeah, guys. So
Guys.
buy some chicken and fries
Chicken and fries.
and cran water for the. I can't rhyme. Yeah, guys. So that's what we're having.
That's what we're having.
It's pretty light.
Yeah.
Yeah, nothing much.
Nothing major.
Yeah. So
We're gonna try it, guys. We'll be the taste tester.
yeah.
Little
What?
island boy.
So it's really mayonnaise, this?
I think so. It tastes like mayo.
Jesus. Oh, them thing affect me. Yeah, she put it on it already before. Because mayonnaise start to affect me lately, guys. Like, yeah. Make me throw up. So hopefully it doesn't make that happen right now. And Bobo here. Bobo. Bobo trying fries. How does it taste? What do you think? It's side? I think so.
Portland fries are better than Mobe fries.
Oh. And so that's the vibe, guys, on the beach. Yeah, one birthday party. And that's Navy Island right over there. Yeah, from a different angle. Yeah, man.
Bikini Beach right down there.
Yeah. It's a nice, quiet evening.
Beautiful evening, guys.
Yeah.
Me and you, Bubba.
Okay, de la G remix, baby. Dímelo, Jessica.
Several days later.
Hi guys, welcome back to the Island family. This is your girl Maria.
And the island boy Africa,
And Oreo Mouth
Baby
Island.
Yeah, man.
Anyways guys, we've just checked into our very first apartment that we stayed at the very first time that I came here to Jamaica. So we kind of did a switch and moved away from, oopsie, almost touched the hot water, moved away from the place we were staying, and this is our original place that we stayed at the last time. And you know, in my calculations, obviously where Island was produced.
This place feels like home, guys. Like from the very first time, the second time till now, it has always been this place.
Yeah,
man.
this
The
place.
only thing that's missing is we're not seeing the cows and the donkey that used to come by the fence and all of that. But it's just a peaceful place, I tell you.
Yeah, we might see them later on this evening, maybe coming through, but at this stage we just checked in yesterday evening. We're having coffee.
Yeah.
This is the best vibe, guys. This is why we love it here, because it's peaceful. It's like serenity, isn't it, babe?
Amazing. Can I give you guys a tour in a bit?
Yeah, give you guys a tour of the place so that if anyone wants to check this place out, go on Airbnb. The owner is a lovely man. The guy that hosts us the place is awesome as well.
Sure.
So we probably, you know, introduce you to them a bit later so that you guys can see. The owner's not here. I know that he lives overseas, but the hostess, he's around here somewhere. So it's a really nice apartment, guys. So yeah.
That's why we keep coming back every time, because if we never love it, we would have never came back.
Exactly.
You know, so
yeah.
It's, as I said, it feels like home.
It's a beautiful place. All right, guys. So we'll check you in a bit.
Yeah.
Hi, guys.
Hey guys, so we have little Bobo here. You know, just like a lane of the hammock, you know. Yeah, chill with Bobo. He's enjoying the weather. Nice morning weather. Boy shirtless. Hey guys, this is the hammock me and babes used to chilling a lot. I swear, this place has memory. It feels like home. Hey Bobo. Cute boy, Bobo. I can't get down my right, guys. Hold on. Hey guys, look at Bobo. Hey boy. He looks like your size. It's so small. Oh my god. So bossy. Hey boy. Why are you so bossy? Gidgy gidgy? Gidgy gidgy? Too serious, man. Give me a smile. Give me a smile. You. Gidgy gidgy? Yeah, man.
Look at you. You know your bad pan playing. So Island is a boy that loves to play. And Island is a boy that loves to dance. Island is a boy that loves to run. And Island is a boy that loves to sing. Island, 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 island. Island, 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 island. Hooray!